Hey everybody, how you doing today? I got an unboxing for you today. I think you like unboxings. Before I show you the TacPack for the month of August, came in a couple of days ago. I'm a little bit late getting it out, but before I show it to you, I need to show you a couple of things that we're gonna dive deeper in some future videos. The Teslong digital bore scope, it just showed up. I've been playing with it. Really cool. You're gonna wanna see down the inside of your barrel. Like some really cool reasons to have a bore scope. Not everyone needs one, but I'll show you some things like down the barrel and lining up gas blocks and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you that coming up soon. This is the other thing. This is called an adjustable bag rider. And this fits on the bottom of your stock and you can run your little rear bag rider. This came to us from Precision Long Shot. And the reason you haven't seen it yet is because I've been waiting on the stock to get here. I ordered the wrong stock. I got the correct one. We're gonna put it on and we're gonna test it and see how that helps us get lined up, how that keeps us stable and helps us make some longer shots. So there's gonna be some AR-15 and 6.5 Creedmoor that this will be tested on, and I'll show you that here pretty soon. Let's get to the TacPack. I do really enjoy getting my monthly TacPack. I think you probably will too. Use code EagleRun23 and you'll get a free bonus box. I believe that's the special they have running right now with my promo code. You'll get a free bonus box that will ship separate from your TacPack order, but really cool stuff in here. First item on the list from Breakthrough Clean Technologies. This is a vice block and it has this little jack stand here. So you put your gun in the vise and then you can use it to hold up the upper receiver. Really pretty cool. No idea how much those are, but that's something that I would probably use right away. TacPack always has really cool stickers. We got the Nodzilla T-Rex with night vision. That's pretty horrifying. Every once in a while, so you know you're gonna get a good sticker, but every once in a while, you're gonna get a t-shirt as well. This is the Nodzilla sticker, but giant on a t-shirt. And it's in my size. Okay, you'll see that on a future video. Next up, we have some snap caps from Zoom. If you don't know what a snap cap is, it is a training tool, incredibly useful. Maybe I need to do a video on how I use them. Mostly use them for handguns, but it would be nice to be able to train with a rifle as well. So you load those in your magazine, they look, feel, and act like a real bullet, but when you pull the trigger, obviously nothing happens. So you can do something like dry fire, where you just keep racking it on that round and you get a dry fire round in there. You can also do malfunction clearing, which is really the key to those. So maybe you have your buddy loaded up and you don't know where it is, and then when you get there, it'll go clink, nothing will happen. You'll have to, if you're in a pistol, tap rack and re-engage, or if you're on a rifle, run that charging handle. It could even present a double feed, which would make you have to drop a mag as well. So really cool. These are great. You need some if you don't have some. If you got the TacPack, you got some. We have a little self-healing shootable target from a company called Throom. So man, this makes me want like a dozen more of these. I think these are designed to be used where you got a board and then you just screw these guys across your board and then you can hit the different targets. They probably have different sizes. Not a brand that I've messed with before, but I probably need some of these. I probably need like 10 of these so you can set up like a whole little thing for them. Pretty cool. I like the self-healing stuff. We got something from TacPack a couple of months ago that will be implemented and you'll see that coming up. It's also a self-healing target. Whoa. Wow. Okay. The plus item, man, I did not see that. Okay. Plus item is really cool. Mantis. This is that dry fire shooting performance system. We've been messing with some dry fire stuff. I have that dry fire magazine. It just came in like a month ago and I've been using it. Just did a video on it and it's great. I love to have it at my desk. This is a laser dry fire system. It's got a sensor. You can use your phone. It'll Bluetooth. You can analyze. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Okay, so what all is in here? We have a tap rack training aid, and we've got, oh, the little Picatinny mail. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in here. It actually comes in this little zipper, like headphone style case. Now I'm not 100% familiar with the Mantis, but this guy will go. This is the key to the system here. This rechargeable laser thing goes on your pick rail, and it's got the cords and a sticker and everything you need to make that work. That's really cool. We probably will have to set this up and demonstrate it for you. All right, so make sure you're subscribed. We've got a lot of things coming up. We're gonna do this adjustable bag rider. We're gonna get that set up on a couple of different rifles, play with it, see what we think. We've got the dry fire system here from Mantis. We're gonna need to set that up. I'm building a 338 Spectre. Do you know what that is? It's subsonic caliber, super cool. I got a full custom Cerakote build going together with some really cool DIY components to it. Pretty fun. And of course the Bor Scope videos will be coming up. Probably release those as shorts. So if you want to make sure you see those, make sure you're subscribed. As always, you can go to eaglerun23.com. On the blog section there are links to all of my favorite companies' best deals on ammo. You want to be a part of my summertime giveaway, which no one has cracked the code yet. There is a code and a prize. It's over $2,000, all sorts of cool stuff. Get on the email list, again, at eaglerun23.com. YouTube thinks you'll like this video right here. Big thank you to TacPack for sending us out a box to review. Awesome, cool stuff in there. I think you guys will like it. Check it out. We'll see you next time.